Hello everyone and welcome back to New Tech. Today we're going to unbox this copy or fake Mi Band 5 that was in the market. As you can see, we have here the M5 logo. In the side we have some options like music control, phone, sports and notifications, sleep metering and other stuff. We will see if they are similar to each other or is it just fake at all the things. Unboxing it, we see different package than the Mi Band 5 and the charger is different as well. This charger is from the Mi Band 4. We have now here the user manual. As you can see, it's all in Chinese. We have a lot of pages here. We have the QR code to scan for the app, also some instructions, but it's all in Chinese. And finally we have here the watch itself. You can see is very thick, much thicker than the Mi Band 5. The bands are very similar, but the display is lacking a lot. You can see the brightness, it's not there, the colors are not there. We have here steps, heart rate, sports. In sports we have only 3 sports. We have run, skip, rope skipping and sit up. These are all. We have messages, more. In more we will find camera, lookup device, theme. Here in theme we have only 2 themes to change. We have reset, scanning bind, and we have turn off mode. This dual mode, as you can see, press and hold, it says on and off. And this is the fake Mi Band 5. So as we saw a little bit, we have music play, telephone call, wrist movement pattern, WeChat, income call and other notifications. We have sleep, step count and automatic metering, which is very helpful in this watch. So we will see what we have more in the software. So let's go ahead now here to the heart rate. First press and hold to start it. And as you can see, it starts immediately. At the top we have heart rate, and we have here blood oxygen and blood pressure as well, which is not usual for smartwatches because they are separate in the smartwatches that we tested before. In other smartwatches they are separate options, not all in one, because these are probably not correct measurements. But we will give it a try. As you can see, we have the results here, not so bad. Let's go to the sports here. As we saw, we have only 3 sports, so let's test one of them, which is run. You can see we have the time at the top, seconds going underneath it, and burn calories, which is all of the options that we have. And basically this is not enough for a smartwatch, and this fake one is very bad, honestly. So guys, this was all for today's video. I hope you find this interesting or helpful. Don't buy the fake smartwatches in the market because you will get scammed.